Hi guys, I'm Rasmus and I'm here in Slikhaar studio with Renee and Casper. Today we are doing the Charles Leclerc hairstyle. It's the famous Formula 1 driver. Are you up for it?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
This is the look we're going for today. So I think we will just make a little bit fade, a little bit more than he has. Trim it a little so it's not too much, but it gets a little bit of texture in it.
We don't have time to feel better. It all just slips away. Fragile like glass, feeling like plastic. Do you really feel fantastic? Everything moves all too fast, but in the end, we'll be last. I'll let you stay. Someone needs clothes, somebody lies to get closer, food the night. We don't have time to feel better. It all just slips away.
So are you doing anything special this weekend?
I'm going to a birthday party later this evening.
With a friend?
Yeah, two friends actually.
Friends.
Yeah.
Nice. It's gonna be a big party.
Yes.
Yeah.
But in the end, we'll be last. I'll let you stay forever. I'll let you stay forever. I'll let you stay forever.
And I will go in and use the pre-styler. We'll give your hair some texture before we will use the wax, and then we don't have to use so much product either. You can also just use this one and have a little bit of structure in your hair, and then you can pull your fingers through it.
Someone needs clothes, somebody lies to get closer, fool the night. We don't have time to feel better. It all just slips away. Fragile like glass, feeling like plastic. Do you really feel fantastic? Everything moves all too fast, but in the end, we'll be last. I'll let you stay forever. I'll let you stay forever. I'll let you stay forever. I'll let you stay.
This was the Charles Leclerc hairstyle, so do you like it?
It's amazing.
You did a great job, Renee.
Thank you.
And guys, remember to write in the comment section down below what you think about this haircut. Also like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys next time.